In today's video I do some crazy science experiments with dry ice, snort a line of salt, and more things you guys dare me to do in the comment section. For this first dare you guys asked me to make a fireball you can hold in your hands, but I thought that sounded way too dangerous. So, it's perfect. After watching some tutorials on YouTube, I found the best way to do this was to tie a piece of fabric into a knot, pour lighter fluid on it, and ignite it. Except in most of these tutorials it suggested that you cover your hands with something to protect you from the fire. But I figured that was cheating, so I didn't do that part.
And I don't suggest that you do this at home. Okay, that being said, I'm gonna douse this thing with lighter fluid right now. Oh! Shit. That was a pretty good dare.
The next challenge you guys dare me to do is snort a massive line of salt. And since I've always done so well with the other things you guys have suggested I put in my nose, I thought sure, why not? Let's do the worst one of them all. But what I'm going to attempt to do is make a line of salt going the entire length down my hand and finger and try to put it up my nose. I never do really well with snorting things, so we'll see how this goes.
Oh my god! Oh, that's awful! Oh!
Then you guys dared me to chew on tinfoil, which I heard was really bad, but I had no idea how bad it would be until I filmed this clip. It was both disgusting and painful, which means it was a great YouTube challenge. For this challenge you guys dared me to chew on tinfoil. So I got an overwhelming amount of tinfoil right here. It honestly looks like it's going to be fairly easy, but the metal taste might be a little bit disgusting and it might also break out a few of my teeth. I don't know what's going to happen, so we'll give this a shot. Ah! No, that does hurt. Ow. Ow. Ow, that hurts. Ow. I have sensitive teeth. That's not working for me. Ow. Well, I'm never doing that again. Next, you guys dared me to do something which I thought was really awesome, and that was doing a few dry ice experiments. Now, I've never even actually seen dry ice before doing this, but for those of you that don't know, dry ice is the solid form of CO2. And apparently this stuff is so cold you can't even touch it with your bare hands. And when this stuff is submerged in water, fog starts bubbling up. So the first thing I did with it was drop several pounds of it into my bathtub. But not to worry, the fumes are actually not harmful. The bathroom actually got so foggy I was able to lay down on the floor and be completely covered by it. Next, I dropped whatever dry ice I had left into a bowl of soapy water and started popping fog bubbles. I tried to make one massive bubble that would just cover the entire bowl, but this is the best one I could get going.
Whoa, that was awesome.
And either way, it was definitely a good time messing around with that stuff. And I'm always up for a good challenge, so leave me your dares in the comments section. Remember to get as crazy or as creative with these dares as you'd like, and if you're down there anyways, maybe you could click the like button, subscribe if you've yet to have done that, and as always, I'll be seeing you guys in just a few days with a new video. Alright, thanks. Bye.